Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the derivation of time of flight of a projectile motion. That is, time of flight, what is the formula? 2u sin theta upon g. This derivation we are going to learn. So please watch the video till the end, you will understand each and every concept. So we have considered a projectile motion in which the particle is projected at an angle theta, okay, and with the x-axis. So what we can say, u can be resolved into two parts. One is what? Ux, which is u cos theta, yes or no? And other is what? Uy, that is a vertical component. This is a ux. Uy is what? Vertical component of velocity. That is what? A u sin theta. Am I clear? Now, see at the maximum height. Okay, this point you see. Okay, at this point, let's say point A is there. This is O, and consider this point B. What is time of flight? Try to understand the time duration for which the particle is in air. That is called as time of flight. So this time of flight, okay, we can resolve into two parts actually. Okay, the time taken by the particle to reach from origin to the maximum point. This point is called as time of ascent. Okay, and time taken by the particle to reach from the maximum point to the horizontal level. This point is called as what? Time of descent. Yes or no? So we can write a total time of flight is what? A time of ascent plus time of descent. Can we write or not? Okay. So what is time of ascent? Time of ascent. Okay. TA is what? A time of ascent. Time of ascent. The time taken by the particle to reach from origin to the maximum point. And what is TD actually? TD is what? Time of descent. Time of descent. Okay, na? So total time of flight is what? Time of ascent plus time of descent. One more thing you should remember, see the path is symmetric, right now. So from here to here, whatever the time is taken, that is time of ascent, okay, that will be equal to the time of descent. Okay, time taken to reach the particle from here to the maximum point, and here and maximum point to the origin will be same. So let's say time of ascent is equal to time of descent, that is equal to, let's say, t. Am I clear? Okay. Now see at the maximum height, what happens? The vertical component of velocity becomes 0. Do you agree with me? Why? Because once you throw the particle, once you kick a football at some angle, suppose you kicked a football, so it is moving like this, yes or no? At this point, it has stopped going okay, high right now. So the why? Because the vertical component of the velocity becomes 0. So we can write this point at maximum height. At a maximum height, okay, what happens? Vertical component Vy is equal to what? 0. Am I clear? Apply first equation of motion. Okay, what is first equation of motion along the y-axis? You are if you apply V is equal to what? U plus at. Do you agree with me? So final velocity along the y direction, that is a vertical direction, is equal to initial velocity along the y direction plus acceleration along y direction, that is ay, into time. Okay, time taken from here to here is what? Time of ascent. Let's say t only. Okay, now we can write as you know, once again you write Vy is equal to Uy plus Ay into t. What is the final velocity at the maximum point? It is 0. What is the initial vertical component of velocity? Uy is what? U sin theta. Substitute the value U sin theta. Okay, what is the acceleration along the y direction? When the particle is going high, okay, the acceleration is what? Minus g. Okay, na? This is what? Minus g into time is what? T, let's say. Okay, so we can write one more time, 0 is equal to U sin theta plus into minus is what? Minus gt. Can we write minus gt? You move to the left hand side. So we can write okay, we can write gt plus gt is equal to U sin theta. Am I clear? From here, what we can write? T U sin theta upon g. This is what? A time of ascent from here to maximum point, from origin to the maximum point. Yes or no? What is time of flight? It is nothing but 2 times of time of ascent. Yes or no? So as you see, time of ascent and time of descent both are same. So we can write it is what? 2u sin theta upon g. So in this way we can get time of flight is what? 2u sin theta upon g. This is the derivation. This is very, very important. This may be asked for 3 marks. I hope you understood this derivation. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.